Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to discuss some questions in physics. The first question is, what is frictional electricity? Answer is the branch of physics which deals with the study of charges at rest, that is, static charges. The forces between the static charges, fields, and potentials due to these charges is called frictional electricity or electrostatics or static electricity. Second question is, what is charge? Answer is, charge is something possessed by material objects that makes it possible for them to exert electrical force and to respond to electrical force. Third question is, what role does electrostatics play in Xerox copying machine? Answer is, a Xerox copying machine is one of the many industrial applications of the forces of attraction and repulsion between charged bodies. Particles of black powder called toner stick to a tiny carrier bead of the machine on account of electrostatic forces. The negatively charged toner particles are attracted from carrier bead to a rotating drum where a positively charged image of document being copied has formed. A charged sheet of paper then attracts the toner particles from the drum to itself. They are then heat fused in place to produce the photocopy. Fourth question is, what is quantization of electric charge? Answer is, the quantization of electric charge is the property by virtue of which the charge on a body is integral multiple of a basic unit of charge of an electron or proton represented by E. Thus, charge q of a body is always given by q equals to ne, where n is any integer, positive or negative. The basic unit of a charge is the charge that an electron or proton carries. So E value equals to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 Coulomb. Fifth question is, what other physical quantities are quantized like charge? Answer is, like charge, energy and angular momentum are quantized. Sixth question is, what is additivity of charge? Answer is, it is a property by virtue of which total charge of a system is obtained simply by adding algebraically all the charges present anywhere on the system. It means charges are scalars like the mass of a body and are added by simple laws of mathematics. If a system contains n charges, that is q1, q2, q3 and so on up to qn, then the total charge of the system is q equals to q1 plus q2 plus q3 plus and so on up to plus qn. So charge has magnitude only but no direction similar to the mass. However, mass of a body is always positive. But charge can be either positive or negative. Therefore, proper signs have to be used while adding the charges in a system. For example, if a system contains charge plus q minus 2q plus 3q and plus 5q, then the total charge of the system is equals to plus q minus 2q plus 3q plus 5q is equals to plus q plus 3q plus 5q minus 2q, that is equals to plus 9q minus 2q equals to plus 7q. So this is the total charge on the system. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.